Hola y buenos días. Meta means the aim, la meta. Y la meta de hoy is to help you really entender, to understand las palabras soy, eres y es. I am, you are, he is, she is, you are. Y cómo funcionan. ¿Vale? So, starting with yo soy, I am, we have un ejemplo. Yo soy autora, ¿sí? Es un libro mío. Soy autora. So if I want to ask, am I an author? It would be soy autora. Soy autora. It's the same words. And if I want to say I'm not something, I just put no in front. So, no soy electricista. When I need to wire something in, I get a professional. No soy electricista. So that one's nice and easy. Next one is eres. So this is when we're talking to somebody that we're on first name terms with. It means you are. Eres. Tú eres. So, ejemplos. Tú eres ingeniero. You are an engineer. Tú eres ingeniero. Or make that a question. Eres ingeniero? Are you an engineer? Eres ingeniero? And if you want to say somebody's not something, tú no eres médico. You're not a doctor, por ejemplo. Tú no eres médico. Bien. Now, es is the simplest word. It sounds like is, pero maybe, quizás, es lo más complicado. So, it means he is, she is, it is. So, es de España, it's from Spain. And it also means you are when we're using the usted form. So, this is when we're talking to somebody who would use Mr. or Mrs. with. We would say, ¿Es usted profesor también? Are you a teacher too? ¿Es usted autor también? Are you an author too? Bien. So, if I want to say he is, then I'm going to say es as well. And if I want to specify, I can say él es. So, por ejemplo, él es fontanero. He is a plumber. Él es fontanero. And again, to make it into a question, it's the same words. Él es fontanero. You can always leave out the L if you want to. Es fontanero. And to say he's not something, él no es electricista, es fontanero. He can probably help with the electrics as well. Bien, and it's the same for ella, if we're talking about a lady. So, ella es mecánica. She's a mechanic, claro. Ella es mecánica. Is she a mechanic? And last one, ella no es enfermera. She's not a nurse. Ella no es enfermera. So that's how they work. So that was la meta de hoy. Now, es importante, aprendes español, es importante practicar el español. To practice today, mi idea is for you to copiar unos textos. So you have a text like this, imagina. Yo soy autora. So this is otro libro mío. Yo soy autora. Otro libro mío. And I've written a text about it. Soy autora. Escribo libros en Spanglish. Soy de Shilbottle. That's el nombre de mi pueblo. Soy de Shilbottle en Inglaterra. En mi opinión, lenguaje es universal y todo el mundo puede aprender lenguajes. Now, what I'd like you to do is to use textos like that one and copy them. But what I want you to do is copy them a distancia. So you read a sentence, read as much as you can, as many words as you can, get them in your head, go to the next room and write them out. What happens with me is I read them, I look away, oh, olvido las palabras, I forget them, I have to look again. Leo las palabras, get out of the room, olvido las palabras, I have to come back, maybe take less words, but I get it done. And that way I'm getting el español, or whatever language I'm studying, into my head, and it has to be in my head if it's going to be useful to me. Some great texts that you can use for this are on Pasos página 10, página 8, perdón. So you've got seis textos there. If you can copy them a distancia, you'll get las palabras into la cabeza where you will be able to use them. Okay, you could also have a look while you're on, if you have this book, at los ejercicios en página 7. Bien, I hope you enjoy estudiando tu español. If you don't have Pasos, the other place you can look is Wikipedia. So if you type in quién es, that means who is, quién es, and then el nombre de una persona, quién es Harry Styles, you get a similar sort of description en español. It might be worth to put in quién es, por ejemplo, quién es Meghan Markle español. Otherwise you might get another language like Portuguese. Okay, so put español. ¿Quién es George Soros? Español. ¿Quién es David Beckham? Español. And then you get a little texto. So Pasos es ideal. If you don't have Pasos, that's the other way to do it. Bien, I'd love to hear what you think of that ejercicio. I'd love to read what you find. And I would love you to subscribe, to like the video, and to come back. Vuelve pronto. Gracias for watching y adiós.